What is going on, YouTube viewers? Thank you so much for joining. We're at the Nike clearance store out in Santa Clarita. We came here a couple days ago and I scored some Mocha 3s, some Jordan Mocha 3s here, and I just had to come check it out one more time. I also had to return a little something, so I just thought I'd make a video for you guys since I'm already here. Hope you enjoy. Another 30% off. You see they already got a bunch of resellers here. A bunch of resellers already. Let's check the 10, see what we find. And the size 10s and the Jordan section. This is like the smallest ever. I've never seen the Jordan section this empty. But yeah, it is what it is. We scored a deal a couple days ago, so can't score every time. Got some weird Paper Max 110, some utilities or something? Utility Flyknits? I don't know what the hell these are. Premier Flyknits. Kind of weird looking, but 110. That's your thing. Got some more Saturns, $100 bucks. We got some Pegasus for $50, 35 after 30% off. That's pretty good. Odyssey we have for 70, 30% off. No huge steals. $60 for some. These are the Odyssey React? No, these are one of the React shoes. Oh yeah, the Odyssey React. Not bad. So got these Air Max Selects 105. Not bad. On the size 10.5. So Jordan section is a little bit bigger. Got some SPs right there, but they got a big run of those Jordan 9 boots. Those hit for $139. Still in the 10.5. Some 720s with some sort of green colorway. Oh, Volts, my bad. Volts, 105, 30% off. Not bad. Still in the 10.5. We got some Saturns. 720 Saturns. 100, 30% off. They've had a plethora of these. Air pennies, the blue ones. Royal, deep blue, I think. Deep royal blue, $80, 30% off. Got some Vapor Street Flyknits, $50. Might have to try these on. These are 10.5s. I should wear a size 10, but might work. Let's try it out. So these are on like $74 or something. Let's try it out, man. These are kind of nice. Let's try it out. Do look amazing, but not the most comfortable. Like with most Air Max, you know, I just don't think most Air Max are very comfortable, to be really honest, but look amazing. They're more comfortable than the 2017s and the Air Max 1s. They're more comfortable than those, but still the comfort level's not there with the React and some of the other shoes. Amazing looking though. They do look amazing. That fat air bubble looks so nice. I like it. So time to just make a return and get the heck out of here.